Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my recipe on how to cook Nigerian porridge from the beginning. Now I love this porridge because of its unique taste. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, the first thing is to know the kind of yam or the type of yam you have to buy from the market, because it will definitely determine how delicious your porridge will be. So as for me, I got a new yam, which is not my favorite, but what will I do? We are in the new yam season in Nigeria. So I prefer buying old yam because that's the best. Like, it is so delicious. If you fry your old yam, forget it. And then if you porridge your old yam, forget it again. So I'm just going to slice up cut the yam to my preferred quantity. Yeah, because we are many in the house. So this we do. And then guys, do not forget my mother's instructions. So by not chopping off too much of the yam food, I mean no cut and too much. Okay, so now I'm done peeling that particular one. I'm just going to cut it into smaller cubes, just like this. Yes, but I prefer it even more smaller. Yeah, so when I was still in my mother's kitchen, yeah, and then she gives me the assignment of peeling yam bags, like peeling off the back of the yam. And then I normally do this, like I'll make sure that I don't cut it short. I'll make sure that I cut it the way it's supposed to round, like let it come out this way, guys. I don't even know how to explain it, but yeah, and I don't know why it was giving me so much joy. But so I'm done peeling and cutting the yam into smaller cubes, and I'm just going to wash it and set it aside. So at this point, this is what makes it my special recipe. Like, I love adding sweet potatoes. Are these sweet potatoes? No, I just love adding potatoes to my yam porridge. Okay, and then I've peeled off the back, so I'm just going to cut them into smaller cubes, like what I did to the yam. And after which I'm just going to wash it and set it aside, guys. So remind me again, guys, what's the argument? Yam porridge or yam cottage? Hey, okay. So I also decided to use tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and onions. I'm just going to blend it and set it aside, guys. I decided to use mackerel fish for this particular recipe. Guys, let me gist you. See here, anytime you ask me to debone fish, no come off my corner, because I'll definitely keep this particular bone inside or put it inside my food, because I love it. I love it so much. Hey, who do me? So guys, at this point, I've finished deboning my fish and I'm just going to set it aside. And guys, I decided to use beef meat as part of my protein inside this particular porridge food I am cooking. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add this as part of my protein. So you can decide to use any protein of your choice. So no wham at all. So in your hot pot, just add some red oil, your regular red oil from the market. Yeah. After which, I decided to add a little bit of groundnut oil, like vegetable oil that you all know, okay? So it can give me a different kind of taste, a very unique taste. After which, I added my onions. Use purple onions, preferably purple onions, okay? So I'm just going to stir. You know how this thing goes now. Keep stirring until it bleaches very well, okay? But for now, I'm just going to cover the pot. I'm back again, but this time around, I came to add my tomato paste, guys. Tomato paste. Come now, come. Hey, tomato paste, guys. Use tomato paste. Yeah. See, guys, all this recipe I'm giving to you, all this step, follow them religiously, like apoko. Follow them very well, because if you don't, you might miss out one or two tastes, okay? I emphasize on taste because I know what I'm saying. So don't be scared, See that pepper. I don't intend to put everything inside. It is blocked. So I'm just going to scoop out the ones I need, or the few I need for this food, and that's what I'm doing. So after which, guys, I'm just going to stir. You know the drill, guys. You know the drill. Yeah. So now that that is done, I'm just going to add my mixed, like I just mixed tomatoes and onions anyway, no big deal. I did not add tatashi or any other thing. So I've just added my mackerel fish into the pot and then my meat, guys. See, if you are using old yam, don't make the mistake of adding your meat now at this point. Now don't. So I'll give you, like I'll tell you the reason why. So I just added my non seasoning cubes and then my ginger and garlic spice. These are the only two seasonings I want to use because I want it to be natural. Like I want this food to taste very natural. And of course, who am I if I don't add crayfish? See, if you're a beginner, measure all these things. So measure it. See, me, I've been cooking for years, so I kind of know the quantity I need for this particular meal. So, okay? Okay. So guys, measure your ingredients. So see, I'm not a good teacher, but manage me like this, okay? So I allowed that to cook for like 10 to 20 minutes, and then I added my washed yam and potatoes, and I added water into the pot. Guys, you can decide to add water gradually, but I've been cooking this meal for God so know how long, so I kind of know the quantity of water I need for this particular food. Okay, so that's why I decided to add it at once. So guys, this is the first 20 minutes. I'm just going to open it up and stir it, guys. Look at that color. Look at this color, guys. Is it not calling? So I'm just going to use my spoon to break them, like break the yam into smaller chunks. Yes, because I don't intend to break all, because I still want to see some kind of yam inside the food. Okay, so I just tasted it now, and then everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. And now I just want to add some vegetables, and I prefer using curry leaf, guys, because of the aroma, nothing else. So the aroma it gives is everything. So after adding it, I just stir it. I'll just stir, and at this point my food is ready. My food is ready, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Is this not calling? Like, is it? I can't even talk anymore. But I'm so excited, and I decided to dish for my Ezeguna Choso, one of the whole South. Who else? If I don't give him first, who else? Guys, I decided to look at this meal for the last time, and I'm so proud of myself. Like, guys, come and join me at this point. I need to eat, okay? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please, please. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.